Hey guys, I wanted to quickly show you HARMON'S Hot Buys. This goes on today and tomorrow, effective Monday, July 22nd through Tuesday, July 23rd. They've got their red seedless grapes at $1.18 a pound. The fresh ground turkey, it's saving $2 a pound, $1.99. And then the Langer's tropical juice, they're $1.29 each, and then you buy 2 of them, and with your savings it's 79 cents each. And they have some fireworks as well. These ones here are $9.99. You're saving $2 each on them. These right here, you're saving $30 each. Here's the pack of them. And then these ones here, you're saving $20 each. They're $49.99, and there's the pack of them. So just wanted to let you guys know about that. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.